Hello.
Hello students, today we take next type of construction, that is construction of triangle if base is
Madam, are you
given,
there, ma'am?
base angle is given and difference between other two sides is given. तो लेकिन इसमें दो पार्ट्स हैं, जो डिफरेंस आपको दिया है साइड का वो हो सकता
Madam,
है
your voice
जैसे
is
ये
not audible.
PQR ट्रायंगल है, ध्यान दीजिए।
Teachers, are you able to hear
ये
me?
PQR ट्रायंगल है, दूसरा ये PQR ट्रायंगल है इस
Yes,
तरह।
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, madam,
आपको
voice is
दोनों
not
में
audible,
बेसिक
sir.
समान है, इसमें भी बेसिक
Not
समान
only
है
voice,
एंड
this
दोनों में आपको दिया
video
है।
is also not moving. I think
लेकिन इस
somewhere
ट्रायंगल
madam
का
has lost
फॉर्मूला
our
जो है,
connection.
सो PQ is less than PR,
No, madam is there only,
इसमें
sir.
PQ greater than PR.
No,
So
our
such type
presentation is
of
there, our slide is there,
triangles,
but that
there are
madam is not
possible
able
of
to.
two. Okay, so
Madam,
अगर आपको सिंपल बेस
Nalini,
दिया है,
madam.
ट्रायंगल Q दिया है, तो
Just replace
दो
one letter
साइड
at a
अगर
time and try the
आपस
system
में
for
दो
a
पॉसिबल हो
different
सकते हैं,
user needs,
हो
right?
सकता है
That's
ए
called
साइड से
user
Okay.
इसका
enumeration.
या हो
Sorry?
सकता है इस साइड से
No, ma'am,
ये
you're
इसका।
in the middle.
ध्यान में देखो
You are
सबसे
disconnected,
पहले
ma'am.
से कटना है,
Okay.
PQ माइनस PR
Am I okay now?
PQ
Yeah, you
PQ
are audible,
माइनस
ma'am. You are
PQ
audible,
माइनस
ma'am.
PR
Thank
इज
you.
पॉजिटिव,
Madam's voice
इसको
is
PQ
not
माइनस
audible.
PQ इज ग्रेटर देन PR, तो ये टाइप का ट्रायंगल आएगा।
Madam?
Okay, is it
और
okay now?
PR माइनस
Yeah, it is
PQ
fine, madam.
इसका
It is fine
मतलब
now.
PR PQ से
Okay.
बड़ी है, सो PQ
Sorry,
इज लेस
I
देन
wasn't
PR,
focusing
ये
on the
टाइप का
chat.
ट्रायंगल।
I hope.
तो आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन
Please,
दो
look,
अलग अलग तरीके से
look into
करना
the
है।
chart
तो
later
हम
part, ma'am.
सबसे पहले देखेंगे
Please continue the
कि
session, madam.
here
Okay?
नंबर
Yeah.
वन
Okay. So when if I'm
PQ
not
greater
audible,
than
just
PR,
interrupt me anytime.
अगर
I
Sure,
might
sure,
PR
sure.
से बड़ी
not be
होती है
focusing on the chat.
हाइट, तो
Sure, ma'am.
कंस्ट्रक्शन
Sure, sure.
कैसे करेंगे।
Okay.
Thank
तो
you.
क्या
Then
थोड़ा सा
use
और
insufficient
समझिए,
session
जो आपको
expiration is,
बेस
say
दिया है,
suppose you are
बेस
logged into an
एंगल दिया
application,
है,
it just leaves
उसको
you logged in forever, all
एडजेसेंट
right?
साइड
That is a
की
very bad
बेस एंगल जो
coding
दिया
practice.
है
What if
उसको
you lose
लग
your
दिया
phone,
था
right?
जो साइड
Somebody
आपको
can
दी
pick
है,
up
तो
that
जो साइड अगर बड़ी
logged in
है,
session
ध्यान
and they can
दीजिए
transact on
PQ
your
इज
behalf.
ग्रेटर
The
देन
application would
PR,
not know that it is
तो
somebody else,
बेस
right?
एंगल
So this is
एडजेसेंट साइड
insufficient
बेस
session
एंगल गिवन बेस
expiration.
एंगल अगर
Ideally,
इज ग्रेटर
if the application is
देन
not any
कंस्ट्रक्शन
longer
इज,
used, or if the
ओके।
application,
हम
if the
देखेंगे अभी
phone
इसका
is
कंस्ट्रक्शन।
locked or
तो सबसे
powered off,
पहले हम देखेंगे
the application should
फर्स्ट पार्ट,
sorry,
फर्स्ट पार्ट
sign
में
out that user. So that
सबसे
is
पहले बेस है सिक्स
more at an
सेंटीमीटर,
app developer's
हम 6 सेंटीमीटर बेस
habit,
निकालेंगे
or app developer's
and making
good
that
practice.
line
If he doesn't follow, he can create
prevent
such
Q1.
vulnerabilities in the application. Okay,
6
information
centimeter.
leakage through cache,
Now,
such as
base
clipboard,
angle is
cookies, and
given,
so on. Okay, so
that
what can
is
happen is you might have
30
copied
degrees.
some data into the clipboard,
Okay,
like you
base angle is
do a
given
double tap, it will do
30
select or
degree
select
and this
all,
is
and then
4
you can
centimeter.
copy, right? Now, if say you had copied some sensitive
तो
information such
सबसे
as
पहले
your
हम
credit card
एंगल
number
Q
or
पे
your
30
password,
डिग्री
right?
का एंगल
Then
कंसीडर करेंगे।
and now a
उससे
lot of
पहले
these
हम 6
applications
डिग्री
have
का
access to
एंगल
clipboard.
कंसीडर
They can just read from the clipboard, and you never know where the data is coming,
ये हो
right?
गया
So
60 डिग्री का
always,
एंगल,
I
ये
repeat again, never trust the author of
इस
that
तरह से
application. Okay,
get
so
data है
there should
30
be some
डिग्री,
kind of
धीरे धीरे
some kind of responsible usage from our side as well. Okay, now how do I
इसको मैंने
keep myself
सेलेक्ट
safe?
किया है,
Ensure that the
तो
applications are up to
diameter
date, um,
30
and
डिग्री,
always ensure that the data that is leaving the
30
device is
डिग्री
encrypted.
एंटर
So these
करिए,
are all settings that are available on the device.
यस।
I
तो 30 डिग्री का एंगल
after
हमने
this
इसमें
meeting, I
कंसीडर किया,
sincerely
उसके लिए हमने
urge you
नाम
to
दिया
look at the
QERS,
settings and
दिस इज
do
30
some
डिग्री।
research and understand what
अब
each
व्हाट
of
इज द
these mean.
नेक्स्ट स्टेप?
There is a lot of
नेक्स्ट स्टेप
security
है
background
अगर
to
डिफरेंस
many of these settings.
दो साइड का जो
Okay,
डिफरेंस है
so suppose you are
4
developing
सेंटीमीटर
an app,
इंक्रीज,
then you
जो
ensure that
डिफरेंस
the
आपको
steps,
दिया है वो डिफरेंस
appropriate
आपको
steps are
आपस में
taken
लेना
to
है,
avoid
ओके।
enumerations,
तो
enforce
लेट अस टेक
authentication. Auth N means authentication,
4
auth Z
सेंटीमीटर
means
इज द नंबर
authorization,
पाथ,
and session token times.
ओके।
This is
एंड
all to
वी हैव
avoid
गिवन
some of
एज
these pitfalls.
12 सेंटीमीटर,
And from
तो
the
यहाँ से
user's
हम
point of view,
इस रीड को
always
बढ़ा
log out from
देंगे,
the application.
तो दिस
Even
इज
if the
द
application
पॉइंट,
has not been
तो आप
coded
इसको नाम
to
दो
take care of
डी,
some of these things, it is
ओके।
prudent from our
उसके
side to
बाद
log out
आपको
once
डी
you have
और
finished
आर
using.
को
Kill the
जोड़ना है,
log out,
डी
kill the
और
application,
आर
look at
join
what is in the
D and R,
clipboard, clear that everything. So keep
definitely,
your phone always in a clean and spick and span
ओके।
condition.
ये हो गया। अब जो हमने
Risky
line
web
code
content,
दिया,
I spoke briefly when we were on slide number 2.
तो see,
So most of the
अगर
websites these days are very rich. They come with lot of
distance लेके दोनों तरफ
animated images, streaming audio, video, maps, drop down boxes, etc. Okay, so most of these videos and so on, they use some third party software, like for example, Adobe Flash and so on. Right, so if these softwares also have a bug, then your website also becomes risky to use, right? So when you are accessing website, be very careful while accessing websites that have a lot of content. Okay, and need to be extra safe when you are interacting with the websites, especially when they ask you for especially when they ask you for data such as your
Madam, please have some water, madam. Madam,
yeah.
please have some water. Don't worry. Please, I have some water.
Okay, yeah, I'll just grab a sip of water.
Please, please.
So our required primary is PQR. ओके, तो इस तरह हमें एक ट्रायंगल मिल जाएगा। अब यहाँ पे आप देखो PQ is greater than PR, तो PQ साइड है।
Am I moving at the right pace or is it fast, slow?
The first part of construction.
Chari sir, can you please respond, Chari sir?
Basically,
Am I in the right pace or?
ओके, और एक 30 डिग्री का एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट किया हमने यहाँ पे QR बेस लिया, फिर 30 डिग्री का एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, फिर
So while it might seem very fancy, very attractive to use some of these websites, they also pose a problem. Like I said, most of these websites, we don't know the reputation of the who has created that website. So never trust, zero trust network. Never trust, always verify. Be careful, okay, by using such websites. Okay, so the last but one, there's one more, cryptojacking. So many of you might be aware of cryptocurrency. So if you are not aware, I'll just give a quick intro or a primer on what cryptocurrency is, right? Cryptocurrency is based on what is called as the blockchain technology. So it is it's not a paper currency, it's a paperless currency, and it is not the way rather it is created in multiple places. Okay, and if somebody is tampering with that record, say there is a malicious person who goes and updates saying that Mr. Chari didn't try, say, or even it could be Nalini itself. Say Nalini is in a hacking mode today. She went and said that, okay, Mr. Chari transferred 2 lakh rupees to me today. Okay, and I go and say, hey, you transferred 2 lakh rupees, but I only see 1 lakh in my account. I could go and contest that one, right? Now, because it is not one place where this data is recorded, it is in multiple places. Mr. Chari can come and argue from his side, saying that, hey, you have tampered this record, whereas all the other sources say that it is 1 lakh only. Right? So now, to create that record in different systems, there is something called a blockchain code that needs to be executed. Okay, that blockchain code, or what they call as a chain code, right? It is a very power intensive, computation intensive algorithm that needs to run. It requires a lot of processing power, and it also has to be very accurate, and it has to be it has to finish in some time. And if that returns a favorable value, only then that record is created. Okay, now the problem is to run that kind of a code, right? Many systems don't have that level of CPU. So what they turn to, or even if they have CPU, what happens is many times these systems just are powered off for whatever reason, right? Like at the end of the day, somebody might be killing, just shutting off that machine. You never know when these algorithms will complete, right? So for such reason, most of these hackers or the such cryptocurrency developers, what they do is they try to use the mobile phones, because mobile phones have powerful CPUs these days, and much of the power is not being used at all. Right? Many of us have very high 4 core, 5 core, 8 core phones with a lot of RAM and so on, but we don't use it to that extent. There are a very small segment of people who really use the power of a mobile phone. And usually these phones are always on, right? You don't power them off very often. Very rarely, only the charge goes down, or you are in a vacation and you really want to be away from your phone, you turn it off. Otherwise, typically it is powered on.
तो आपको ये
You are
दो
mostly
points
always on the
जोड़ना
network
है,
as well.
particular
So these are very very
And
conducive situations for such crypto algorithms to run.
और
So
ये
what
question
happens
कब
is
आया
this
है?
cryptojacking
इस range में
they
जहाँ
run
पे मैं
algorithms on your
maximum
device
नाम देना है
and they
आपको
consume a lot of
P
processing
point.
power.
Okay?
Okay, so this
So
what
name
this
this point
means
as
is that
P.
a lot of resources are used, the battery goes down,
P को नाम
you
देने के
don't
बाद
have
यहाँ पर
enough
जोड़ो
resources to
तो
run your
join
genuine
here
apps and so on.
P
Okay,
and
so
R
now how
like
do you
this.
prevent this,
So
right?
we need
Again,
this
the
triangles
most
P, Q,
suggested
R.
one is update the operating system
Okay, this is
when
our
new patches are available. So these patches
P, Q,
have so if they
So this
find
is
that
the
there are
another part of
vulnerabilities
construction.
related to
तो दोनों
cryptojacking,
part
they
में
immediately give
difference
patches.
है
So this is not a very
कि
easy one to
जो
find
साइड जो
out.
बेस साइड
These are
आपको
not
दिया है
easy to
उसके
defend
अंदर
as well.
जो
So
एडजेसेंट
that's why
वाली साइड
we leave it to the
अगर
expert,
बड़ी
which
है
is the operating system
तो
itself,
आपको
to take care
ऊपर
of such
जितना
cryptojacking attacks.
डिस्टेंस
Okay, so
डिफरेंस दिया
always
है
keep your
उतना
phone up to
डिस्टेंस
date.
कंपास में लेके
And
चलना
also
है
choose a vendor who is
और
up to date in releasing
बेस
patches.
सेक्टर को एडजेसेंट रहने वाली
Okay,
साइड
so the
अगर
last
लेस
one
है
in this
तो
series is
कंपास
about
में जितना
data
डिफरेंस दिया है
security.
उतना
So data
डिफरेंस
security
लेके
is becoming a very
थोड़ा
big
लेके नीचे एक्सटेंड करके नीचे आपको जाना है
topic
और
these
बाकी
days,
के
right?
स्टेप्स सेम
Because the
ओके
lot
तो
of
जैसे यहाँ पे मुझे ऊपर आना है यहाँ पे थोड़ा उसका
customers,
पावर
lot of
एक्सपेंड करूंगा
governments,
तो पी
a
को
lot
अच्छे
of
से ट्राई
countries
करें
are becoming
यहाँ पे
very
मैंने रे एक्सटेंड किया नीचे
conscious
और डिफरेंस
about
का डिस्टेंस से
data.
एक्सटेंड
They are
किया
very conscious about
यहाँ
the
पे मुझे
personally
एड्रेस
identified
ट्रांसफर
information,
मैसेज
what we call
किया
as
पी
PII,
पॉइंट में मिल गया
or there is something
तो
called
पी क्यू आर
SPII.
स्ट्रैंड तो इस स्ट्रैंड में भी देखो
Special
पी क्यू
special
लेस
private
देन पी आर मींस
information,
पी आर ग्रेटर देन पी
special
क्यू पी
personally
आर
identifiable information and so on.
greater than
So
PR.
people are
Okay,
very
so these are
cautious
the two
about this.
types
There are a lot of
of solutions.
regulations. There are a lot of law requirements around data security. But nevertheless, this is still continuing to be a big problem. All